So hello, sitting in my camper and the weather is quite stormy on the moment. It is more, I have the feeling that I'm on a boat because it goes like ooh. But okay, I just wanted to say the next videos is the work what I did on La Villette. The last jobs that I did before I'm going to show about the work here, because else it will it is nice footage, the work what I did on Villette, the last jobs, but else I will never put it out. So I want to put that out first, and then I start filming about more here and Chateau Montcuzet, and then we will tell you more about the information. Because Sunshine also has a YouTube channel, and it's also very interesting that that I can put a little interview from her in her, and that she tell about the family. But that will come. So okay, so first these videos, and then I think then I try them to get them out a little bit more so that I can start filming about here. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. And I see you next time. Finally some nice weather. I have to wait with the windows to be sure that I have at least 2 days dry, because else I cannot finish it. So I first do another job. It's a little couch was in the car then, and it was totally rotten and rotten. So I'm going to make it, clean it up, sand dust it, paint it, and put new wood on. So here it is, it's quite nice. So I cleaned this up already with these magic tools. And this one I have to do. So this is the wood what came off. And I have to do it here because it is concrete under there, so it is not that you then can take them easily out. But it's quite nice. So one layer is on. I think it needs a couple of times more because it was very dark. There. So that piece was not good anymore. So I make a new piece a little bit nicer. So this will be the support for in the middle. So I now can glue it and screw it and make some holes in there. Alright. So let's put everything together. And then I only have to paint it one more time, but the weather is, yeah, bad. Yesterday we had sun, so I could paint it, and now suddenly raining again. So yeah, I'm also wanted to start with windows, but I cannot finish it because of the rain. It looks like it's never going to be summer, but okay. And it is nice that you can do some inside jobs, but yeah, I like to do inside job more in the winter when the weather is bad, and not in the summer where the weather is supposed to be good. But okay. So it is all painted. Beautiful deep brown red color, like a walnut. Because it was like this. So this is wood. So it turned out very nicely. Also this part, it's the old part, but it was still good, and I make this new part. So all right. And finally the weather is better, so I hope I finally can put it together and also continue with the windows.
Good. Yeah, it does look good, Selmar, doesn't it?
Yeah. See it?
Yeah, it's yours.
You?
That's yours.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, but I look like a tramp. Oh, a tramp is not the word.
I'm
Oh,
filming.
you're not.
Okay, she looks like a tramp today, but it doesn't matter. Chateau life. You cannot always be dressed up. I
Yes,
look like a
it's-
tramp too.
It's really nice. You've done a good job. Yeah. Where's Nita coming?
All right.